What are you doing today? Are you sitting in front of the television, getting programmed? That's gonna shift your vibrational frequency, make you sick, lower your vibe. What are you doing? I think in this world, we all need peace. And in order to find that peace, we have to find our spot. Right now, this is my spot. There's nobody else around. I'm just watching the waves crash into the shoreline. I'm feeling the ocean breeze, not thinking of anything. I'm rewinding the tape within my mind, starting over a blank canvas so I can program myself with what I want. I'm not sitting down watching television. I'm not sitting there getting programmed to what the world wants me to be programmed to. I'm rewinding the tape, finding my peace, and I'm going to program myself for what I want to experience. This is a never ending cycle that you must do all the time until you are living your desired life. Once you're living your desired life, you stay in that vibrational frequency and you live, baby. Say yes to life, be happy, be the light to the world, and purify. Fasting the body, fasting the mind. Welcome to Dragon's World. Dragon out. Enjoy.